Hello, having converted the Crosley with the BOPAP BP280C, that's the special cartridge, which is a magnetic cartridge which replaces a ceramic one, I thought I'd better check the tracking force. Now it says on the BP280C that the tracking force is, it says it's 40 millinewtons plus or minus 10 millinewtons, which means what it actually means here is that it's 4 grams, all but the decimal points, and plus or minus 1 gram. So it can be 3 grams to 5 grams. So I thought I'd better check it, because having recommended doing it, I thought I'd better check it. Having done some research, I found that on some of the forums, they reckon that it adds about 0.6 of a gram to the weight of the original tracking force system. There are 2 or 3 ways of adjusting your tracking force. I mean, on these cheap and cheerful turntables, it's not going to be easy. You're going to have to start playing with springs. Well, that's assuming you can get to them. The other method, which is favoured by some, it's the reverse of what we used to do in the 60s, which is get a weight and put it at the other end, where the pivot is, of the tone arm. So take the tone arm, put a weight on the end of it, a bit like they do on posh record players, but there's no fittings for it. So what I've done is well, you'll see. This is what a lot of people used to do to stop things skipping. Put a tuppence on the end of the arm. We've got the other problem. So set the scales to 0 by using the weight, and I'm going to weigh the actual arm. Gently place the cartridge onto the scales, and we'll see now it says 211. So that means that's 5 plus 2, so that's 711, which is a little bit high. This is where the tuppence comes in. What I did was I measured the weight of a tuppence. It's about 2 grams, and so I put 2 of them together on the back of the tone arm down there. You can see there, and you can see what the actual scale was. It was great. That means I now have a tracking force of 5 grams and a quarter, which is okay. So that must mean it was originally tracking at over 6 grams, near enough 7. It's a little bit high. Okay, that was only meant to be quick. I hope you got something out of that. If you did, maybe you'd like to click on the like button, or maybe subscribe to the channel for more fascinating videos along this line. And anyway, thank you very much for watching, and catch you again. Bye bye.